Ni.
Kau surprise dia. Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususu tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubanai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Kyrmen menyekan dua biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Khasi Students Union mau saraisan, ka peramjur ikirunar gibadan keti, pen Pynïap yuba Tailin lingdo nang lain, ya ka bala jah ka wei kidukan sya, haper madan. Presiden jong KSU mau saraisan usamla jibar pol thaba ulaong ngawat yaki brio ki banabar ka jela ki betan keti ban Pynïap yu raja daga vanchi ki Pulit ka jela ki dengi okam yaki bagi Kyrmen scam bagi Pulit ki nyu okam yaki brio ki betan keti ban Pynïap yu ba Tailin ru
Nakaling jungi kum ka KSU mau saraisan circle ni penpau ka jing susi ya ka ka bajiang te po Sinong permadan ya iba Tailin lingdo nang laj ya kaba katkum gaji kren jonga madi sodan bat katkum kidak shin ki papau hi ya katuka jaka kande gijing jia kaba shimhi ya gijing im na kalian jongi ka senghi penram jur ya ki briu ki badon bentala ne badon kti hak baun shim kat ya gijing im jong ki briu tingi kerpat ya ka police department ya kebakan simkia hak bayi dia berkini ke bentah. Ira kerpat juru, kumbagi ji kiwi ki kies, ibadanya kiwi ki jat benreu, ka kies jong raja rakuban si ber kesonam, dia tanggung bakat tukan depo lala hiban kem no ikibriu ki badan kiti hak bayi dia berketu ke bentah. Dia kum juru ni kerpat ya ka police department, bahkan le kumju hak bayi dia bat ini ba, kenang ba inyo ekjing bisa bisyar ke bahok. But banyo ban pinstom yaki badon kti hakbay de berkene kam.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.